A couple of years ago, an amazing rafting trip with family ended at Skunk Hollow. What's it like to hike the South Fork Trail from Skunk Hollow? Kissy and I plan to hike to Satan's Cesspool Rapids.
Oh, ain't that a good idea?
The wild California grape is common in the region. Couldn't resist hiking down to the creek. Common in Southern California, white sage is rare in the Sierra foothills.
Holy cow, that is a sage.
Low lake levels expose the Gold Rush era town of Salmon Falls. Hikers owe the American River Conservancy for acquiring and donating this land to the Federal Bureau of Land Management.
Hi there.
Fall colors in California can surprise you. What a majestic oak.
How you doing?
Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Dad, the sun's gonna set at 5 o'clock.
But Kirsten, we're almost there. We need to turn around to get back to the car by sunset. Hikers are asked to not carry weed seeds into the Pine Hill Preserve. The hillsides glowed golden in the fading sunlight.
I found a rock. I can get up out of it easy, so I am good to go.
Sometimes hikers don't reach their goal, but there are surprising rewards on every hike. We appreciate you. Please subscribe. Want more information? Go to hikingthegolden state.com.